Let me tell you about stud service business in Nigeria. You see, when I say dog breeding is one of the most lucrative or profitable agri businesses out there, a lot of people doubt. Now, in my last video on this membership series, I talked about how to start dog breeding business. Now, dog breeding business with a female includes or involves, so when you meet her, you get your puppies and you sell. Yes, having a purebred dog costs at least 800,000 naira now. Some sell 1 million, some 1.3, some 1.5. That is the price. Now, there is this untapped niche in the breeding sector that a lot of people are not looking into, and that's stud service business. And that's what I'm talking about today. What is a stud? A stud is a male dog. Now, stud service is them bringing a female, a beach owner bringing a female to your place for mating. And now, there are two deals when someone brings a female to you. One is puppy deal. The puppy deal is that the beach owner, the owner of the female, will have to pay part of the money, and then when the female litters, you, the stud owner, goes to pick first before the beach owner starts doing anything. That is it. And you end up selling that puppy. You get is called the stud puppy. You end up selling that puppy at the same rate of a purebred dog, 800k, 1 million, 700 or thereabouts. That's puppy deal. Then no puppy deal involves the beach owner won't pay you anything. So you take full payment and you're not entitled to a puppy. Now, what is the secret of making it hard? Because breeders, renowned breeders, cash out with just having males. That's why you see some of them, they have very few females and a lot of males. Because one male can mate up to 10 females in a month. And each of those 10 females with puppy deal, they have 10 puppies. And they will sell each of them at premium prices. So how do you make it in the stud service business? The secret or the tip is having quality male. And when I talk about quality, I mean purebred male, pedigree male, high quality male from good bloodline. That is it. And you also have stud fee agreement. A lot of people can be funny. They say, oh, I don't have full payment. Let's do puppy deal. You do the puppy deal, and at the end of the day, you see them telling you, if their puppy litters up to 5, they say it's 2. If it litters up to 2, you say the thing didn't litter. Some hide puppies. So that's some of the challenges stud owners face. Deceit, lies, criminalities from the beach owner. So if you want to make it hard, very big in this stud service business, you have to get quality stud. And quality studs are very expensive. Quality males, pedigree males are expensive. You need to have at least 800k and above. Whatever breed you want to have, whether Caucasian, German Shepherd dog, Rottweiler, Boerboel, name them, there is market for you. You just have to go with quality. You need to own quality. If you don't have quality, anybody can price you anything. You do 50k puppy deal or 50k no puppy deal. You just be taking those money. There are lots of non-pedigree dogs around that are not quality. So options plenty. If you have a quality male, pedigree from very good bloodline, you can have up to 7, 5 or 10 matings in a month. Of course, you need to take good care of that your male so that you don't destroy it. Make sure the females come in are well tested, very well tested. Make sure the nutrient you're giving to your dog is rich. and they have the life, exercise, everything is multivitamin supplement. They have these things, and you test them too once in a while to be sure they are very okay. So with these things I just mentioned, trust me, if you are looking out for, oh, I don't want to go through the stress of having a female that will be around when they litter and everything, you can go with a male. You can go for a male. You use your male for store service, and then when the dog litters, it stays with the beach owner till 5 weeks. Some will go pick it up at 5 6 weeks. Or you can also have arrangement with the puppy, with the beach owner, that okay, after 6 weeks you'll be paying. But sometimes those beach owners can be funny. Before you know, the dog, something happened to Ramon. Sorry, 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 sorry. That's what you hear. So that's why many store owners, what they do is, as soon as the litters reaches 5 weeks, they go pick it up and start taking care of them by themselves. They sell those puppies 800k, 700k, and they put in the money. By the time you do this kind of thing 10 times, you know how much you've gotten. So you understand. So this is one very, very underrated stream of income in the breeding sector that a lot of renowned and dog owners are cashing out quietly, and they are not making so much noise about it. So let me know if you would like to check this. You like this type of breed business in the breeding world. Let me know if you do, and if you have more questions for me, maybe you need a sample of agreement form, maybe you need a list of supplements, you need some things, you need to do's and don'ts you need to have and know before you get into it, let me know in the comment section, and I will make another proper and well detailed video addressing those topics.